Hi everyone, Simon from SVP Productivity, where we give you simple tips and tricks to help make your life easier, and simple tips and tricks to be able to help you become more productive at home, work and school. Hi everyone, today I just wanted to have a very quick chat to you about something that has happened to me today, and which is why this is a perfect time to talk about it, and that is about getting your scariest task done first. Now, if you've watched some of my other videos, you'll know that I advocate having a list. Everybody should have a list of to-dos, whether you are a CEO, a professional, a housewife, a student. No matter what you do, you should still have a list of things that are important and get them out of your head and onto a to-do list. Now, if you have a look at some of my other videos, you'll see what I'm talking about with that. Now, the one thing though, when I do my weekly reviews and I have a look back through my tasks, the ones that I keep pushing away are always the ones that are the scariest, always, without fail. So the tip that I want to give you today, and that's so important, and I've got to learn to practice my own preaching, but the most important thing is when you wake up, the very first task you should do is the one that scares you the most. So for me, that I've been putting off for the last week has been doing this video, and the reason for that is because I want them to be right. I don't want them to be crap. I don't want people to look at it and go, I'm not going to watch these videos. So because they mean a lot to me, that's why it kind of scares me sometimes. But if you wake up and just do it first, because straight away in the morning, that's when you have the most energy, that's when you have the most time, that's when you're ready to tackle some of these things a little bit better. So if you keep pushing it out, you're going to end up trying to do those tasks when you're most tired at the end of the day. So give that a try, because I need to start doing a little bit more, so we're going to do that together. And that is that every single day, write down at the top of your list, what is the scariest task? Not just the most important one, but the one that I'm procrastinating on the most, the one that I'm putting off the most, the one that scares me the most. Get it done first, and you watch the difference that it makes. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you on the next video.